CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday 18th of August and onwards. Now, am I buying or am I not? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video with the new update, the buying question, and the next steps. First thing on the list is going to be that I saw a 2.5% decrease in price, which is actually not a bad thing. For me, like I mentioned, to be bullish, the price must break. I'll correct a little bit lower. And now, because we're in this range, this only will matter, like how I will act depends on where we break the tops or the bottom first. Top at 151.73, bottom at 136.89, put it 88. It's not going to consolidate here forever. Like, one is going to give, and it depends for whatever it gives first. If it gives me the second break, I'm very risk averse. I will go for the long, but have a very fast BE. And if it starts breaking lower, I'll get rid of this. And I'll keep you updated. It doesn't necessarily mean that I'll sell if it breaks lower. So I do have a bunch of receipts with CRCL in the Discord with about 44 receipts. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights and stock picks daily, click the first link in the description. It's free.